baking soda. I don't subscribe to the common philosophy that it should be used with vinegar. I think baking soda does a fantastic job just by itself. I think vinegar actually hinders its cleaning power. There's many uses for baking soda. I buy them in bulk from cash and carry places because I use them so much. But certain uses you shouldn't consider, you shouldn't accept, such as putting them in sinks, trying to unclog sinks with them, and all other things are good, but definitely don't pour baking soda into sinks. It will just clunk up in the drain and create a big plumbing problem. But for refrigerator and sucking up nasty stinks and getting out stuck on food, and cleaning microwaves and ovens with it, it's cutting the grease. I especially like using it for stainless steel cookware. It does a fantastic job with that. It's a very handy thing, and it's non-toxic. If you're one who is very delicate, who wants to avoid toxic cleaning products, this is it. It's as natural as you can get, as it is mined actually from. The value of baking soda is its non-abrasiveness. It has minimal abrasiveness. Don't get me wrong, you can still scratch stuff with it, but it's minimal abrasive. And if a very good use for it, very handy, is if you get streaks on tiles, you can easily take them out with baking soda. It's one and all purpose product.